How are you?
I'm good.
Hello, everybody. It's good if you keep your cameras on and mic muted. That would be much better.
सर इतना अच्छा वाईफाई नहीं है, क्वालिटी बिगड़ जाएगी ऑडियो की आपके।
अच्छा, okay, that's fine. So, hello, Banki Bihari. Hello, Kashish, Ashita, Anjali. I don't know whether what session you are talking about. Beginner classes? You are talking about my beginner sessions? Also, you attended the beginner session. Okay. Good.
Yeah.
Cool. Hello, everybody.
Sir,
Yes.
so today is like my first session. So can you just give us a recap, like what you
Recap
taught
what we
in your
did in the
previous
last
class?
two classes.
Yes,
In the
sir.
last classes, it took us half an hour to just do the recap of one class, and you just want the recap of two classes, and I guess like it will take us an hour, maybe somebody. Okay, I
So,
can
like,
give
I
you a
have
very
some-
fast recap of something.
Oh yes, sir. Yes, sir. Just a small brief. You can.
Yes.
This will be very helpful.
So,
Thank you, sir.
in the first class, we did talk about some basic chords, and there were some basic chords available. I don't know whether Ishan sent you the files or not. I also like uploaded the files in the same link you got into. Like there was an updated chords thing for those people who don't know how to play the chords. They can click a picture of that. This one, it would be fine. Take a screenshot or something. You will need to know these chords before you move on.
Someone's mic is on. Kindly switch it off, please.
Thank you. Okay, so there will be. Nice, Anjali. Okay, next moving on. So I was saying, what I was saying. It happens when I get distracted. Yes, I was saying that you guys need to learn these basic chords before you guys need to move on. And as I said, like music is more like a language. So within the language, we will have words, we will have alphabets, and we will have spaces, full stops, commas, exclamation marks, and other things. Is there anybody who is having problem till here? So we did talk about music, and some people were able to like tell what is the correct definition of music. So I'm just revising that music is having two elements in it. So first will be the sound, and the second element will be the rhythm. So, but music cannot exist without both. So you can have a sound like this one, but you cannot say that this is music. It's just a sound. Okay? It's just a sound. So to make it music, you need to have some rhythm in it. Like then only it will start sounding like music, or even with a single note as well. So if you have one note, so to make it music, you need to be little rhythmic. Okay, moving ahead, we did talk about chords, and then we started talking about some rhythms. We talked about some basic rhythms, and I'm going to show you the basic rhythms. PQ. We did talk about whole notes, half note, quarter notes. How many of you haven't attended the last meeting? What do you guys think? Because many people, I am able to recognize many faces now, but not okay. Yashwant. So there's a lot. 4 people.
So this is my first class as well.
Hello, sir.
But I am learning from outside, so I
Yes.
have a basic idea.
So that
Yes. There are 6-7 people who haven't attended my last classes, or even more than that.
is my first class.
It is your first class?
Yes.
You know these basic chords?
No.
No. So do you have a guitar?
Yes.
What others think? Like I just want to check whether should we revise the class or not. What do you think, Ishan? Should we revise? Should we do the class?
सर आई थिंक जो आपने शेयर किया था लास्ट क्लासेस में if somebody from front row can cascade that in the application itself, क्योंकि applications में हमने देखा है they put a lot of tips and suggestions, maybe some of these chords if that can be presented there.
Yeah, it will be shared. I'll share you a link after this session ends. You can join that group and all the pictures will be sent there.
Okay, all the pictures and the PDFs will be sent to that group.
Yeah.
So for those people who haven't attended the last 2 classes, I would suggest them to go through the PDFs. I guess like the PDFs will be more than enough to get through it, because everything is written in those PDFs. There's nothing to doubt, and it's very easy concept. I'm going just through very basic concept nowadays. I'm just revising everything, so don't worry about that thing. So after doing these basic chords, I'm just going to show you how to read these basic chords. For those people who took the picture of that, so these vertical lines represent the strings. So this is the first string, second string, third string, fourth string, fifth string, and sixth string. So vertical lines have strings, and the horizontal blocks, these rectangular blocks, are frets. So if I just tell you to move your, these are the finger numbers. So we actually name our fingers by numbers. So left hand fingers will be the index finger, will be the first finger, the middle finger will be the second finger, and the third finger will be the ring finger, fourth finger will be the pinky finger. So when the screen says that you need to keep your first finger over what string? So 1, 2, 3, 4, fifth string. Over what fret? This is the first fret and this is the second fret. So you need to keep your first finger over the second fret of the fifth string.
Yeah, Anjali, can you please mute your mic?
Yes. Yes. Mic on.
Mic on karna hai. Thank you. PDF would be good. Thank you, Dheeraj, for keeping some patience and Dheeraj. That's kind of funny. Okay, so moving ahead. So once you got this chord, so you will need to keep your first finger over the second fret of fifth string, and also you need to keep your second finger over the second fret of fourth string. Something like this will start sounding. So this is called E minor chord. But this is still not a music. To make it music, we need rhythms. So after that, we move to some rhythmic parts, and we did talk about whole notes, half notes. For the whole note, so as general music have 4 counts in it, most of the songs have 4 counts in it. So you can actually count 4 on any song. You can start with any song. So like if I start counting on any song, so like take an example of Tumiho. Let's take an example of Tumiho. So if I just count on over the Tumiho, so I'll try to sing and count using my fingers. So I don't know whether you guys are able to see my video or not. So it will be more easier if I do it, because I won't be able to sing and count together. So tum hi ho, ab tum hi ho, zindagi ab tum hi ho. So it's 4 counts only. 1, 2, 3, 4, and every repetition of 4 counts back and forth. And so what happens when we come to this whole note? So whole, what does whole means? Whole means everything, complete, sab kuch, right? Okay, so this whole note will just cover up all the 4 beats in it. So if you start playing on the first beat, so we don't have 0 beat in music. We always start with a 1, and it should be a regular counting, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. We cannot have more space between 4 and 1 or 1 or 2. It should be equal spaces between 1 and 2 and 4 and 1 and everywhere actually. So if you start playing whole notes over this E minor chord I just shared earlier. So this is my E minor chord, going back to the E minor chord. And if you just play the whole note over that, so I'm just going to play this exercise 1. It will be sounding like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Cool. It's a very easy concept. I don't know whether if you guys just read this stuff, you will start knowing it. So next note is called half note, just जैसा इसका नाम है. So this note will be taking the 2 counts in it. क्योंकि सब कुछ क्या था, 4 count ही था, एक ही 4 count ही होता है एक ही measure में. So we will be taking the half of it. This half note will take the 2 counts in it. So starting with an exercise 2. So E minor chord हम वही chord play कर रहे हैं जो मैंने अभी सबसे पहले शुरुआत में आपको play करना सिखाई थी. So we'll play the same chord over this whole half note, and it will sound like 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Nice. So next one will be the exercise 2. Exercise 2 mein wahi hai whole note and then half notes, whole note and half notes. It will sound like 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Easy. It's very easy concept. This is what we did in our first class. And then the next note is called quarter note. So quarter kya hoga? 1/4 of everything. Reminder, you were going to tell the third trick for playing bar chords. Okay, Prasoon Singh. Thanks for reminding me. So going back, quarter note. So quarter note kya hoga? Quarter note ki value 1 hogi because 1/4 of 4 counts is 1. So we need to play on every count for quarter note. So I am just going to play this exercise 1. Exercise 1 kya hogi? 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Very easy concept. And you guys will be able to do this all together exercise अगर आपको यहाँ तक समझ में आया. Then we move to the next set of rhythms. So after the quarter note, so quarter note के बाद क्या आएगा? Quarter का आधा क्या होता है?
Sir, 1/8.
1/8. So the next note will be 8th note. So let me just share the 8th note. How this 8th note is sounded like. So just reminding. So जब हम लोग quarter note कर रहे थे, जब हम लोग सारे notes down play कर रहे थे, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. So you will realize कि हमें हर बार down करने के लिए हमेशा up आना पड़ता है. So हर बार down करने के लिए हमेशा up आना पड़ेगा. तो हम इस तरीके से we are wasting our up strokes. So when you do the down, you will start doing the upstroke, and eventually the note which will come is an 8th note. अब क्या होगा? 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. So down up करने लगोगे. एक beat पे 2 note बजाने लगोगे, and eventually that is called 8th note. Now यहाँ तक पिछली क्लास में किसी को डाउट था? Is there anybody who is having doubt, or even the new students जिनको ये लग रहा है कि बहुत easy है? What do you guys think?
No doubt, अभी तक तो नहीं आया अभी.
No doubt, sir.
Nice.
No doubt, sir, from my end as well.
Nice. No doubts from my end as well.
No doubts till now.
Okay. So the next note, जब हम लोग down up stroke कर रहे थे, so we were actually playing this first line. So down up. ये जो sign है ये वाला rectangle वाला ये वाला, this is the sign of a down stroke, and this V sign ये V लगा हुआ है, this is the sign of an up stroke. So when we were doing this down up, we were actually playing 8th notes and we were actually playing this first line. But उसमें दिक्कत क्या थी कि हम लोग quarter note दूसरे measure में बजा रहे थे और ये 8th note दूसरे measure में बजा रहे थे. What you guys need to do, you need to play, because the most of the rhythms will have the mixed up rhythms. Like ऐसा नहीं होगा कि whole note ही होगा एक ही जगह पर. They will be sometimes they will have the quarter notes, 8 notes, even 16 notes in the same measure. So that's where the confusion gets starting. Okay. So जिनको लगा कि 16 notes नहीं होंगे उनके लिए थोड़ा सा शांति. But what happens कि there are lots of subdivisions. It keeps on subdividing until 64th note. So 8th note के बाद 16th note के बाद 32nd note के बाद 64th note. So of course the subdivision keeps on increasing and it will keep increasing the difficulty. So जितना आप एडवांस होते जाओगे गिटार में उतनी डिफिकल्टी बढ़ती जाएगी, उतना ज़्यादा टाइम आपको वापस सीखने लगेगा. तो आपको ऐसा लगता है ना जैसे लाइक दो स्कैम वाले होते हैं ना लोग, देखा होगा, आपसे 2000 रुपये ले लेंगे, फिर आपसे बोलेंगे कि आपका काम हो जाएगा और आपको बस 3000 और देना है, तो आप 3000 और करोगे. सो दैट्स व्हाट हैपेंस इन म्यूजिक. अब आपको जैसे लगेगा कि आपको पूरा सीख गया, फिर आपको ऐसा लगेगा कि अरे ये तो रह गया, तो ये भी सीख लेते हैं. फिर आप सीखते चले जाओगे और ऐसा पता चलेगा कि आप 80 साल के हो गए एंड स्टिल यू गाइस नीड टू नो मैनी थिंग्स. सो it's true, because even my teacher was like 65 years old when he started teaching me, and he yet to say that he still learning and have bahut kuch hai. Music is like ocean. You have lots of music, lots of countries having different music, lots of styles, so you cannot learn anything. So you need to be very focused on particular things which you want to learn, and जो आपकी आगे चल के आपके म्यूजिक में हेल्प करने वाली है. तो बाकी सब चीज़ों को बंद करना ऐसा नहीं है कि आपने रॉक सीखना स्टार्ट किया तो फिर आप सोचो कि चलो जैज पे भी हाथ मारते हैं, ऐसा नहीं होता। रॉक सीख रहे हो तो रॉक पे भी करो, एंड देन जस्ट व्हेन जैज सीखना स्टार्ट किया तो जैज पे फोकस रहो। 4 जगह दिमाग लगा के कुछ नहीं होगा, इट विल जस्ट स्लो यू डाउन, आपका टारगेट और लेट हो जाएगा, बिकॉज देयर इज एंडलेस, इट इज एंडलेस। ट्रू, डिपेंड्स हाउ फार यू वांट टू गो, इट्स अप टू यू। सी, मैं तो बहुत दूर जाना चाहता हूँ। सो गोइंग अहेड, so this 8 note, so quarter note, quarter note, quarter note and 8 notes, so it's like down 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 up. So हम अभी भी वही E minor chord use करेंगे। some sir must learn things. What things? What do you mean by things? Okay, going ahead. So when we were doing the second measure of it, it was like this one, down 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 up, down 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 up, 1 2 3 1 1 2 3 4 and 1 2 3 4 and what happens, ऐसा नहीं है कि 8 notes easy part है, 16 notes सीखना जरूरी है म्यूजिक सीखने के लिए। 8 notes are enough to know the maximum number of music. Only you need to play this 8 note more faster to make it a 16 note. 16 note और 8th note और quarter note और half note और whole note में कोई फर्क नहीं है, they are just same note but speed का फर्क है। So when you start playing quarter notes faster, it will eventually start sounding like 8th notes. दुगुन, आपने इंडियन क्लासिकल में दुगुन सुना होगा। if many people are like somebody asked me, whole note and quarter note are reverse, I guess. Quarter note 1 beat and 3 rest and vice versa. Reverse? What do you mean by reverse? Okay.
Sir, can you tell us like what is notes? Like I'm getting a bit confused. Quarter notes, half notes,
So,
what?
Okay, rhythmic values. You're talking about rhythmic values.
Yes,
so,
sir. Like strumming only, no?
Strumming only?
Notes means, what do you mean by like notes?
We started, मैंने अभी sheet जो share किया था, आपने वो check किया था?
Yes, sir. Like one, if you from string 6 to string 1, that's one note. Like when you drag it down, like when you're playing guitar, strum.
हाँ. So एक strum, man, no. When we started with this rhythmic values, remember?
Yes, sir.
We started with this rhythmic value. This is the whole note. It is a rhythm. It is not. It does not mean कि कौन सा note बजाना है, कौन सा नहीं बजाना है. This is just a rhythm. अभी हम इसको सिर्फ rhythm के लिए use कर रहे हैं. We are not using it for any other purpose like कि ये note कौन सा है. Pitch. We are not reading staff notation.
सर उनका क्वेश्चन वही है, वो जस्ट कहना चाह रहे हैं कि नोट मतलब एक स्ट्राइक।
Strike, yes.
Strike.
Oh, strikes. It's only the strikes. How many you have to strikes? Because E minor chord आपके पास आ गया. This is yet not music. You still need rhythm to make it music. G, दोगुन and चौगुन. Nice, Ayush. Okay. So, sir, इस वीडियो का YouTube पे भी डाल दीजिएगा. That you guys need to ask Ishan. Okay. Going ahead. So when we started playing, I started playing this second number of it. You guys can play further. Let's do this one. This F one. This one is my favorite one actually. So this one is down, down, up, down, up, down. So down, down, up, down, up, down. Or 1, 2, and 3, and 4. So क्या होता है कि सारे up strokes are counted as N. So when you are counting the up strokes, so 1, 2, and 3, and 4. So eventually when you start counting, doing it faster, this rhythm will become more advanced and it will start. Sir, I can join late. Can you tell me what you're going to discuss today? We are just revising, Rahul. So don't worry about that. So I will just, I'll be telling you what we are going to do today. Okay. So down, down, up, down, up, down, or 1, 2, and 3, and 4. You can do it anything. So once you start getting comfortable with this rhythm, try to make it faster, as fast as possible. Or so this starts on. Sir, is it necessary to learn sheet music to learn guitar? We are not doing sheet music. We are just taking help of the rhythms. Instead of using that, instead of reading, we are not reading music. We are just taking help of rhythms because down up से क्या होता है गिटार का?
I'm only asking sir क्या जरूरी है sheet music को सीखना कितना help कर सकता है sir?
यस, बिकॉज आपको जैसे देखो बहुत सारे क्वेश्चन मेरे से लोग पूछते हैं कि गाने में कौन सी रिदम यूज होगी, ओके, ये भी होता है, कौन सी स्केल होती है. सो दिस इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर योर ईयर ट्रेनिंग. एक विजुअलाइजेशन होना चाहिए आपके पास, वरना मैं रिदम कैसे डिफाइन करोगे? यू कैन नॉट डिफाइन रिदम. किसी को नहीं बोल सकते कि ड्रमर को जाके अगर ऐसा बोलो कि तुम ऐसा बजाना जिक तक दिक दिक तक, so he will totally get confused actually, even make fun of you actually. ऐसा भी होगा कि आपका मजाक भी उड़ाए वो. so आप एक दूसरे से कन्वर्सेशन कैसे करोगे? या तो आप अकेले म्यूजिक करो जिंदगी भर, that can be also an option, but म्यूजिक हो नहीं सकता.
पियानो सीखने के लिए सर, जैसे अगर अपन शीट म्यूजिक भी सीख लेते हैं तो सर अपने को और इम्प्रूव करता है. तो सर गिटार में हेल्प करता है कि नहीं करता है?
गिटार में बहुत हेल्प करता है. गिटार में आपकी स्पीड डबल ट्रिपल होगी उन लोगों से जो शीट जिनको रीड करना नहीं आता, क्योंकि आप वो म्यूजिक भी रीड कर रहोगे जो गिटार के लिए बना भी नहीं.
तो सर क्या आप सिखाएंगे इस कोर्स में?
आई एम ऑलरेडी डूइंग दैट. व्हाट डू यू थिंक व्हाट आई एम डूइंग? यही तो कर रहे हैं हम लोग, शीट म्यूजिक तो रीड कर रहे हैं.
अर्पित, जो ये 4/4 लिखा है, ये कुछ बता सकते हैं क्या है?
दैट्स अ टाइम सिग्नेचर. राइट नाउ ऐसा समझ सकते हो. Okay, let's start with the time signatures. I'll give you a brief idea of what time signature means. कई बार आपको ऐसे नंबर्स दिखाई देंगे 4 4, कई जगह लिखा होगा 3 4, कहीं पे लिखा होगा 6 8, कई बार 7 8 के भी गाने बनते हैं. So मैथ्स पढ़ी है सबने? ऑफ कोर्स ये मैंने पढ़ी होगी. So इसमें से न्यूमरेटर कौन सा है, डिनोमिनेटर कौन सा है?
ऊपर वाला न्यूमरेटर.
ऊपर वाला न्यूमरेटर. सो इस चीज को क्या मैं ऐसे लिख सकता हूँ 4 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 1/4?
यस,
हाँ लिख सकते हैं.
लिख सकते हैं. तो 1/4 होता क्या है?
एक क्वार्टर बीट.
यस, क्वार्टर. अब आपने खुद ही आंसर कर दिया अपना. तो 4/4 is actually a 4 quarter note. So ऐसे सॉन्ग जिसमें 4 क्वार्टर नोट्स आते हैं, लाइक 1 2 3 4, जो कि ज्यादातर में आते हैं 2 3 4, और ऐसे सॉन्ग जिसमें 3 ही क्वार्टर नोट आते हैं वो होते हैं 3 4. जैसे
सर हैरी पॉटर की थीम होती है
सर, द हवाई सॉन्ग.
ले जाए तुझे हाँ. No, it's on 4/4 हवाएं.
वो 4/4 ही है.
हाँ 4/4 ही है वो तो. और जैसे मैं 7 8 का दे सकता हूँ, जैसे अभी मुझ में कहीं है. 7 8 is the example of अभी मुझ में कहीं.
7 8 कैसा होगा कि मतलब 7
बोल दो ना जरा is also टक 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 is 12 8 actually. बोल दो ना जरा is 12 8. 7 8 कैसा होगा? So 7 8 is counted like 1 2 3 4 1. अभी मुझ में कहीं 2 3 1 2 3 4. So it's 7. बेख्याली बेखया 1 2 3 तेरा. Yes, it's actually 6 8. 1 2 3 4 5 6. 1 2 3 4 5 6.
So it's like tabla, Rupak and Dadra.
Yes, you can say that. So ये आपको डिफाइन करने के लिए सबसे आसान तरीका यही है कि मैथ्स अपनाई जाए. तो 4 4 1/4 नोट. सो 3 1/4 नोट. व्हेन वी टॉक अबाउट 6 8, इसका मतलब क्या है? इसका मतलब क्या होगा?
6 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 1/8.
हाँ, सो 6 8 नोट्स. समझ में आ रहे हैं? और इसको ड्रॉ कैसे करूंगा? अगर मैं इसको जल्दी से ड्रॉ करके दिखाऊं तो इट विल समथिंग समहाउ लुक लाइक दिस वन. ऐसा 1 नोट 2 3 4 5 6. So it will somehow look like this one. So 6 8 notes, sorry, and 7 8 will be having a group of 3 and group of 4. तो एक और नोट जुड़ जाएगा 7 8 बनाने के लिए यहाँ पे, and that will be 7 8. So ये टाइम सिग्नेचर का कॉन्सेप्ट है. इट्स वेरी इजी. इसको ज़्यादा डिफिकल्ट बनाने की जरूरत नहीं है. Okay, going ahead. So when we were talking about 8 notes, जब हमने ये वाली 8 नोट वाली शीट स्टार्ट की, so you guys must be figuring out इसमें एक चीज मिसिंग है. कई बार सॉन्ग्स में रिदम्स में डाउन होता ही नहीं है, अप्स भी होते हैं, सिर्फ अप भी हो, लग जा गले is 3/4, that's correct. Okay, so where I was saying, so I was doing कि जब हम लोग ये डाउन अप कर रहे थे तो यू विल रियलाइज कि हम अप स्ट्रोक बजाने से पहले हर बार डाउन स्ट्रोक ले रहे हैं. सो डाउन और लास्ट वाली शीट जो हमने की उसमें ऐसा भी कोई लाइन नहीं थी जिसमें सिर्फ अप स्ट्रोक आ रहा हो. सो यहाँ पे म्यूजिक का एक नया नोट यूज आता है. सो अभी तक हमने सिर्फ स्ट्राइक करना सीखा था कि हम किसी भी नोट पे स्ट्राइक करें, होल नोट पे स्ट्राइक किया हमने, हाफ नोट पे स्ट्राइक किया हमने, क्वार्टर नोट तक में स्ट्राइक किया. उसके बाद फिर हम अभी 8th नोट करने लगे, 8th नोट पे स्ट्राइक किया. बट यहाँ पे एक चीज मिसिंग है. सो म्यूजिक इज अबाउट ऑल लाइक साउंड एंड साइलेंस. अभी हमारे पास साइलेंस नहीं है इसके अंदर. सो वी नीड साइलेंस. सर आप स्ट्रोक बराबर से नहीं होता मेरे से.
तारक मेहता का उल्टा चश्मा.
तारक मेहता का उल्टा चश्मा. तारक मेहता का उल्टा चश्मा है.
There is like this 2-3 guys who joined from different teams.
नाइस.
Okay, this is gone.
बड़ी अच्छी आवाज निकालते हो. Let me just remove my spotlight and fix these guys.
No, I just removed them.
Okay.
I don't think there is left anyone.
Is there anybody who is Tarak Mehta's fan? कोई रह गया तो बता दो. Nice.
Yeah, you can continue, I guess.
Okay, just put a spotlight on me. Thank you.
Yep.
I just removed my spotlight. Yeah. So when we were doing this downstroke and upstroke, so we were having something missing, and वो था कि silence. Music is. Can you guys keep yourself muted for a while? Then I'll let you play. Don't worry. When we will come to that part, I'll come to that part. Don't worry. So moving ahead. So music में सिर्फ notes नहीं होते हैं. Music में और भी चीजें होती हैं. So we have sound and silence. अभी तक हमने सिर्फ silence की बात नहीं की. Sound के लिए हमने यहाँ पे whole note कर लिया, half note कर लिया यहाँ पे, half note. We did quarter notes. We also started doing 8th notes, but we haven't talked about silence. हम ये कैसे लिखें कि हमें ये पूरे मेजर में सिर्फ शांत रहना है? बिकॉज ऐसा कई बार होता है. ऐसा नहीं होता कि हर इंस्ट्रूमेंट हर वक्त प्ले होता है. There will be some time that the musician or the music instrument will be silent. कुछ जगह पे ड्रम्स नहीं बजते, कुछ जगह पे सिंगर नहीं गाता. So what you will be doing? So for that thing, you guys need to take a help of this thing called rest. So in music, sound जितना important है उतना ही rest भी important है. And rest बहुत सारे होते हैं. सारे नोट के अपने अपने rest होंगे. So there will be a note which is called whole note rest, जिसका मतलब ये होगा कि पूरे measure में शांत रहना है. There will be a note which is called half note rest. So जितने नोट हमने अभी तक किए उन सब के rest होंगे individually. But so I'm a very GOT fan, so big GOT fan. As it is says, कि anything which is said before but is just a bullshit. So that's true. So अब क्या है कि अब जैसे रेस्ट आते हैं, अभी तक हमने सारे रेस्ट होल से अभी हम लोग करते हुए नोट होल किया, हाफ किया, क्वार्टर किया, 8 किया, अभी हम लोग सीरीज में बढ़ रहे थे. बट what we will do now for the rest, we will go opposite side now. हम रेस्ट 8th नोट से स्टार्ट करेंगे to make it. सर अब स्ट्रोक नहीं होता बराबर कॉर्ड से. Yes, you are saying it. I know it, Jash. Don't worry. And why are you sending it in direct message to me? Okay, I'm just coming to that point. Don't worry. So upstrokes. Thank you. Let me just show you the sheet that how the 8 notes rests look like. So this sheet is very important. Now we are moving towards more professional rhythms rather than just moving around some basic and mediocre rhythm, I would say. So this is how the 8th note rest look like. ये 7 की तरह दिखाई दे रहा है म्यूजिक में. This 8 note rest look like a 7. This is also an 8 note rest. This is also an 8 note rest. It means silence. So let's take an example of this one. So this is an eighth note. So the key to play these 8-note rest perfectly is that कि आपको पहले ये 8-note rhythm सबसे सही play करनी आनी चाहिए. You guys should be very thorough with this down up, down up, down up thing. So when you start playing the first measure of this sheet, so let me just show you this one. So this is down, up, down, up. This sequence keeps going on. So ये down है तो next one will be up, down होगा, फिर up, फिर down and up, down, up. This sequence keeps going on. And जैसा कि मैंने last class में कहा था कि these two dots means कि this measure will be repeated twice before moving to the next one. So we will do the same. So हम लोग क्या करेंगे, इस वाले measure को सबसे पहले play करने की कोशिश करेंगे. जिसको अभी तक यहाँ पे दिक्कत आ रही है उसको आगे भी दिक्कत आ सकती है. So start doing with this first measure. You can do the E minor chord, you can do any chord, whatever chord you like. So I'm just starting with this down up stroke for this first measure. So it will somehow sound like down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. So 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and you will say that ये तो बहुत easy है, तो हम सब पहले से ही करते आ रहे थे 8 notes rhythms. So now the thing comes is this one, जिसमें down stroke missing है. अभी तक लास्ट वाली शीट में क्या था कि उसमें अप स्ट्रोक्स मिसिंग थे कुछ जगह मेजर्स में. सो इतना इजी था बिकॉज कि हमें अब सिर्फ अप स्ट्रोक ही तो मिस है, वो तो हम पहले से ही अप स्ट्रोक मिस कर रहे थे जब व्हेन वी वर डूइंग द क्वार्टर नोट्स, तो हम पहले से ही अप स्ट्रोक मिस कर रहे थे. तो इट वाज इजियर फॉर यू गाइस टू डू द डाउन डाउन अप डाउन डाउन. बट नाउ व्हाट विल हैपन, आप सिंगिंग भी करते हैं या आप एंड ओनली में गिटार स्पेशलाइजेशन किया है. आई टू सिंग बट आई टू लाइक सिंगिंग इंग्लिश सॉन्ग्स रेदर देन सिंगिंग हिंदी सॉन्ग्स. I don't know. Okay. Hi, Abid, can you please share the sheet for the 5 seconds on the screen so that we could take a screenshot? It would be very helpful. Definitely. Take a screenshot. 5 seconds. Okay. So coming back to this one. So key is कि आपका right hand मूव होते रहना चाहिए. इफ यू कीप योर राइट हैंड मूविंग, व्हाट विल हैपन कि आपकी 8 नोट्स अपने आप ही अप स्ट्रोक्स बहुत इजी हो जाएंगे. सो व्हेन यू स्टार्ट डूइंग द डाउन अप डाउन अप डाउन अप डाउन अप एंड कीप मूविंग द हैंड इवन दो यू आर नॉट प्लेइंग एनी स्ट्रिंग, सी द सीक्वेंस कीप्स गोइंग ऑन. इससे क्या होगा कि आपकी रिदम कभी मिस नहीं होगी. यू विल नेवर मिस योर रिदम एंड इवेंचुअली व्हेन यू आर गोइंग टू स्किप द डाउन स्ट्रोक इट विल कम बाय इटसेल्फ. सो क्या होगा, to play this sheet, what you guys need to do, जहां पे भी ये rest बना हुआ है, this 8th note rest, you will wave over the string. आप वहां पे string से wave करो, मतलब आप strings को touch नहीं करोगे. You will still do the downstroke, but you won't touch the string to miss it, to take a rest. So let's start with this one only. So it says down, up, the down is missing, the second down is missing. So आप सबसे पहले जाओगे, सबसे पहले वाले मेजर में सारे डाउन अप प्ले करोगे, उसमें से फिर सेकंड वाला डाउन मिस करना स्टार्ट करेंगे अपन. सो डाउन अप डाउन अप डाउन अप डाउन डाउन अप डाउन अप डाउन अप डाउन. सो हम इसमें सेकंड वाला डाउन स्ट्रोक मिस कर रहे हैं, बट वी आर प्लेइंग एवरीथिंग एल्स. सो डाउन. इफ आई शो यू द शीट अगेन, सो दिस इज द वन. सो 1 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 3 and 4 and down up down up down up down up up down up down up. So when you guys need to, जब भी आप गाने सर्च करते होगे तो आपको इस तरीके से rhythms कुछ दिखाई देती होंगी. So this is the most common way of writing a rhythm, but most of the time people are not able to read this 8 notes or 16 note kind of thing. They are just going through this down up, which is a very amateur way of figuring out rhythms, because this is what I was saying. So what you were saying, that you are not able to do the upstrokes. So मैंने बताया ना कि it's a very easy stuff if you start moving your right hand regularly. Only key is the right hand. आपके हाथ. So there are some points which you guys need to remember while doing this down up stroke. So first thing is कि आपका हाथ regular होना चाहिए. So instead of focusing on your left hand, you need to try to focus on your right hand while doing this one. So down up down up down down up. You need to skip the down. You can start with slow. The strum is ha from hava. So Yes, you can say that. So down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down,
4x4 signature ही चल रहा है ना अभी?
अब भी सब जगह 4x4 चल रहा है. We haven't changed the time signature. We won't be changing it for a while because 4/4 में ही सब कुछ हो जाता है. You guys will be able to read. Sorry, can you repeat what you have just told on how to read the strumming sheet? Okay, so it is a new strumming sheet. It's very easy to read now because आपको क्या करना है, सबसे पहले ये करना आना चाहिए, down up down up down up down up, सिर्फ सब जगह down up करना आना चाहिए. And then फिर आप किसी भी measure में जाओगे, इस sheet में कोई सा भी measure choose कर सकते हो. But I will suggest you to choose the easy measure first. So यहाँ पे जहाँ पे भी 8 note rest बना हुआ है, you guys need to wave over the string for that. What I meant with this wave over the string, it means कि जब आप down stroke करो, आप डाउन स्ट्रोक करो. आई एम नॉट सेइंग कि आपको हाथ रोक के अप स्ट्रोक करना है. यू गाइस शुड नॉट बी डूइंग लाइक ऐसे हाथ नहीं रोकना है, आपका हाथ चलते रहना चाहिए. योर हैंड शुड बी रेगुलर एंड जस्ट वेव ओवर द स्ट्रिंग. इट्स योर चॉइस कि आप स्ट्रिंग बजाना चाहते हो कि नहीं बजाना चाहते हो. इट्स योर चॉइस. और डाउन अप डाउन अप डाउन अप डाउन अप डाउन अप डाउन अप डाउन अप. सो माय हैंड जस्ट वेव ओवर द स्ट्रिंग. आई स्टिल डू द डाउन स्ट्रोक. इट्स नॉट लाइक कि मैं down stroke ही नहीं कर रहा. I'm still doing the down stroke, but I'm not touching the string using the pick.
So what is the benefit or advantage of that technique versus without doing the downstroke?
Without doing the downstroke, the benefit of doing this technique is कि आपकी rhythm कभी टूटेगी नहीं, because many people have many rhythm issues. It's very easy to learn guitar, but to be able to play the correct rhythm, ये सभी लोग सीख नहीं पाते. And you need
to keep yourself in time.
Sorry?
It would help us to keep ourselves in time.
Yes, आपका हाथ में कभी आपको confusion नहीं होगा, because many people ask कि अब यहाँ पे मैं up stroke play करूँगा, down stroke play करूँ. The easy thing is to keep your hands stroke regular, down up down up down up. आपको हाथ regular चलते रहना चाहिए, and it's your choice whether what you note you want to do. और getting it? So it's very regular. So sorry upstroke, right? It's very regular thing. So keep your hand regular. Once you start doing these more advanced rhythms, you will know it, because अभी तक सिर्फ एक ही rest है, and in the some measures you will start saying that there will be 2 rests. Is there anybody who wants to try it first before we move on to the next one? By just raising their hand, they can. What about sir? When will meet for the next class? You are already leaving the class, Navneet? It's not ended yet. Okay. Okay. You're
So I think the basic thing is going on. So
yes. So who's gonna play? Who's gonna play? Who was playing it? Just can you play it?
Sir,
yes, Navneet. Yes, Navneet.
Sir, I'm not able to play right now, but I was saying the basic thing is going in the class right now. So I just wanted to. Yes,
what?
yes. Just wanted to confirm when we.
Maybe around Thursday, or it should be on noon, because I'll be traveling to Goa next week. I don't know. So I guess like evenings won't be possible. So probably next week. We will be meeting next week. Probably that's for sure on the same day. So going ahead, yes, Goa is more safe than other states. So I will definitely stay safe. Don't worry. Okay, Prasun, you want to play?
Ayurved, I can play if anyone is not playing.
Okay.
Yeah, Prasun, go ahead. Anyone who is playing, go ahead.
Who any किसको play करना है? जल्दी decide करो, आपस में मत लड़ो. Yes, Samar. So which one you want to play? So I will choose.
Okay.
You will do this one, 10th one.
Sir, suddenly आपने ये change कर लिया, ठीक? I'll try.
यही तो है.
Okay, so there is down up rest and okay. No, sir, I think I need time to read that. Can I try the other one? or somebody else can go ahead with it, please.
Okay. Let's try this one. Let's try this one, and I'll let you, Sachin. I'll let you try after him. Okay. Let's do this one.
Okay.
Nice. Can you shift the chords while doing that rhythm?
Shift the chord from E to A minor or something.
Any chord you like. Any chord. कोई भी chord.
No, I think I in the midst of switching it, I think I missed this rhythm.
Okay.
I'll.
So who wanted to play? Yes.
Sir, I wanted to play.
Yeah.
I want to play.
Okay, let's play Rahul.
Okay. Which one, sir?
This 10th one.
Okay, sir.
No. I don't want that slap thing which you are doing, because it means that your hand is not regular. Who else want to play? Who else
Sir,
wants
can
to
I
play?
try?
Can I go ahead?
No, you cannot go ahead because you're doing the slap. Okay.
Sir, can I try?
Yes.
The 10th one,
Go
no?
ahead. Yes, 10th one.
Is it correct?
No.
Okay, I'll play now.
It's like the down up करना है आपको. Your hand regular. Look at your right hand while doing that. No. Whoever is playing Kushal, you are not playing it
Can I
correctly.
try, sir?
Oh, okay.
Yes, try. Who else want to try?
In a slow tempo.
Yes, किसी भी tempo. I'm not asking. It should be correct only. No, Tushar, you're not correct.
Is it right?
No. Yes, Hemendra. Hemendra, that is correct. Nice, Hemendra.
Thanks.
So it's like down, up, down, up. That's the thing. सबसे पहले read किया करो. It's very important part कि that you guys are able to read it or not. Because आपने एक बार दिमाग में rhythm आपके आ गई, you will be able to play it. Okay, so I'm going to play the same rhythm. So it was like we are missing the second and the fourth downstroke. So इसके अंदर second miss है यहाँ पे, second downstroke, और यहाँ पे fourth downstroke miss है. So आपको यही दिमाग में ध्यान रखना है. So what you will do, so we'll start with down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. So keep your right hand static. आपका regular right hand चलते रहना चाहिए. Down, up, 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 down, 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 up, down, up, down, up. Easy?
Sir, actually, I have played the same thing, but I use a slap
But you
as
were
a
not
filler.
playing the same thing. No, not playing it.
Sir, I was doing the same thing, but I
No,
use a.
because I heard it. Because with the slap thing, it will sound like this one.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Sir, it is same, na sir?
सर स्लैप्स भी आते हैं क्या नोटेशन में?
Slaps भी आते हैं notation, but it is more of a fingerstyle stuff rather than it.
Sir,
Hey, Ishana, am I the host? Can you put the spotlight again to me?
What was
keep
that?
on-
Of it? Down, down, up, down.
It was down, up, down, up. No, you need to miss the second downstroke.
Second downstroke.
आपको तो down, up. So ये वाला down आपको miss करना था. Down, up, down, up. No, see, आपको हाथ regular चलाना है, आपको हाथ नहीं रोकना धीरे. Your
Okay.
hand should be regular everywhere. So down, up, down, up, down, up. मेरा हाथ, if you will see, able to see my right hand, my hand is very regular.
Down, up. And which one is missing? Down, up.
The second downstroke and the fourth downstroke. The second downstroke and the fourth downstroke.
Sir, could you
That's what's-
listen once?
Yeah, sure.
Yes, Rahul. Nice, Rahul. Nice, Rahul.
Okay.
Yes, Rahul. That is correct. You can find me very easily, people. It's not very difficult to find me. Just write my name in the Google, you will find me. So मेरे को कोई भी अपनी IDs share करने की जरूरत नहीं है. The only thing you won't be able to find me is my contact number. Okay.
Hi sir, can I play it once? Hi Arpit.
Yes, Sanjay, you can.
Sorry, मेरा video. Actually, I'm sitting on the terrace.
It looks like you're sitting on a stage with that light, but that's cool.
Yeah. So I'm playing the E minor chord.
Yeah. Yes, that's correct. Okay. Okay. So Sachin, stay here. Sanjay, sorry, Sanjay.
Yeah, yeah.
Stay here. So you'll be playing this 15th one.
15th one. I'll have to figure this out. So this is up, down.
Nice. Nice. It's cool actually. So you can play it in Iti Si Hasi. So I need to. So it's very cool stuff, and once you start doing it more faster, you will eventually started liking the sound of this one. And the key is the same. Key सबका एक ही है कि आपका right hand सिर्फ रेगुलर होना चाहिए. आपका राइट हैंड रेगुलर है, आपके हाथ पे जो कंट्रोल रहेगा, you guys won't be able to believe it. Actually, आप कभी मिस ही नहीं करोगे. Even the drummer will start missing it up. आपका हाथ कभी मिस नहीं करेगा.
And everything depends on the timing, right? If you miss
timing.
one single microsecond, the song will move ahead and
Yes, that's what will happen. That's why I was not suggesting anybody to actually stop their hand and then play the upstroke. We need to train the muscle memory. That's correct. And actually guitar is all about muscle memory. Your left hand needs a muscle memory, how to remember the chords correctly, or whatever scale you are doing, or whatever RP. So it's just muscle memory. You guys need to have a muscle memory in both hands, what to do, and the synchronization. एक बार synchronize बैठ गया, then everything will be good actually.
Yeah.
अर्पित, जैसे कुछ सॉन्ग्स होते हैं उसमें डबल डाउन स्ट्रोक, जैसे मतलब जैसे वंडरवॉल है, उसमें बहुत क्विक सक्सेशन में होता है, तो वो टाइम सिग्नेचर ही डिफरेंट होता है या वो
डबल डाउन स्ट्रोक? व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय डबल डाउन स्ट्रोक्स, राइट?
जैसे वंडरवॉल में स्टार्टिंग होती है तो वो मतलब
कैन यू शो इट टू मी? I don't very much listen to many songs. I stopped listening song last 4 years back. Okay, so this thing you're saying.
Yes.
So it's just the same 8 note thing. So वो कुछ नहीं कर रहे. मैंने जैसे कि आपको बोला कि आपको सारी 8 note rhythms, you guys need to play it faster as well. So what he is doing, so down, 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 up, down, up, down, up, down, down. So he's doing this thing, down. What genre you are in? Okay, that's not the right spelling of genre, but that's correct. I am not having genre. I am just plain sheet. You can call me color white. So I like every genre. I'm more inspired with jazz nowadays. I used to be a progressive rock. I used to have very long ears. I used to be a metal guy. I used to play very fast things. Then suddenly I moved to Chennai and my teachers taught me jazz. फिर मुझे वापस धरती पे लाया गया. And what is genre? So yes, that's what I was thinking. That is genre. He's asking genre. Bassoon is not in the meeting. Okay. So rock, metal, jazz, nowadays pop, anything which is good. My music is whatever is good. कोई भी म्यूजिक जो मेरे को अच्छा लगने लगता है मैं उसे बजाने लगता हूँ. Whether it is jazz, pop, country, rock, progressive rock, Dream Theater, I listen to Dream Theater, I listen to psychedelic, I even listen to EDM music and start playing EDM music sometimes.
क्या बात है.
So it's कि आप जितना जितना नया म्यूजिक सुनते जाओगे, I try to apply everything whatever I listen to. मैं कभी कभी स्काइप के गाने भी बजाने लगता हूँ स्काइप पर. So it's all about कि आपको कहीं से भी म्यूजिक मिले, you just try to just catch it. I remember it as a words actually. That's what been taught to me for many years when I was doing graduation music. So what happens कि आपको हर चीज use every music as a word. Learn that word and use that word in your sentences. How many years it can take to reach to this level? I don't know actually. It can take, for many people it can take actually 2 years. वो सबके ऊपर डिपेंड करता है कि आप कितना है. But at least it won't take 2 years because I practice like 8 hours a day. So to reach my level, you guys should be practicing like around 10 or 12 hours a day. For at least 4 years.
Sir, I have one doubt.
Yes.
Sir, actually what happened that you recently told that happens to me also, that I was not able to stick to one genre. Like sometimes I do finger style, sometimes I like jazz, blues, sometimes rock.
That's
so
good.
What should I do?
So you like everything. That's good.
Yeah, I like everything, but somebody told me that you have to stick in one genre unless you are not able to.
No. जिसने भी बोला कि is he a good musician, जिसने आपको ये बात बोली?
Sir, actually you told that
कि मैंने ये बोला कि एक particular technique, you need to have a direction. Whatever you're learning, it doesn't mean कि आपको कोई नहीं रोक रहा कि आप कोई ये music play नहीं कर सकते. But when I'm composing stuff, like जैसा मैं production करता हूँ and when I do the record stuff, I tend to listen to the guy what he wants actually and then start practicing to that. ऐसा नहीं कि मैं आज रॉक कर रहा हूँ तो एकदम से मेरे को ऐसा लगता है कि रॉक छोड़ो, चलो मेरे से हो नहीं रहा, मैं जैज करने लगूं. सो हर जगह नहीं भागना है. when you picked up one thing, try to complete it at least before moving to the next one. That's what I meant.
What do you mean by complete it? Like if I started practicing one song, should I complete it?
If you took a song from one song, कोई भी एक song ले लिया, you try to figure out which is the best part you like about the song. You will only learn that part and try to play it. Involve उस जो भी आपने नया सीखा. अब जैसे मैं कुछ भी अगर मैं नया सीखा, मैंने एक चीज सीखी. So मैंने एक ये चीज सीख ली. once I start figuring out like कि मैंने ये बेख्याली से मैंने चुरा लिया, not चुरा लिया actually, but kind of चुरा लिया. So what you guys will be doing, so I'll be using this thing, inspired. So I really like this part. So what I will do, I will try to use it in my solo. So whenever I'm doing something else in other skill, so I will try to use it in my playing wherever it.
Sir, are you using the pentatonic scale to play this?
You can say that. Not totally using the pen. मैंने G shape से जरूर उठाया, but
like you have changing the scale from G to some other scale. in the pentatonic.
आज का जो आप बता रहे हैं मैं मतलब आई एम नॉट वेरी बिगिनर बट ये रिदम्स मेरा हमेशा से वीक रहा है, तो जो आपने शेयर किया है इज दैट अ गुड एक्सरसाइज आई होप?
Yes, that's a very good exercise. Whatever you can do for those people, and now I need to share that कि आप कैसे उस चीज को practice करें. That is what very most important part actually. For those people who are beginner in guitars, what they can do, जिन्होंने मेरी last class attend की actually, that is a sequence. आपको उसी sequence को follow करना है. First you will start with the whole note, half note, quarter notes. Then you will start doing the last class thing that was only the down up rhythm, जिसमें simple 8 note rhythms. And then आज हमने एक difficult 8 note rhythms की, ताकि हम थोड़ा सा और professional sound करने लगे. So that's what we are going through. So how you will practice it? Okay, let me just cover this one up. इसको हटा ही देते हैं, इसकी जरूरत ही नहीं है. So now how you will practice it? So जैसे कि मैंने शुरू में भी कहा था कि म्यूजिक में साउंड इंपॉर्टेंट है और रिदम भी इंपॉर्टेंट है, बट विद द साउंड हमें साउंड के साथ साइलेंस भी इंपॉर्टेंट है, क्योंकि हमेशा शोर शराबा अच्छा नहीं होता. अगर आप पूरे गाने में शोर शराबा करते रहोगे तो देयर वोंट बी एनी रिलीज. कई जगह पे रुकना भी जरूरी है. और इवन द रैप, जो रैप भी गाते हैं वो लोग तक ब्रेक लेते हैं, तो आम सिंगर्स को तो ब्रेक लेना ही पड़ता है. देयर विल बी स्पेसेस वेयर दे वोंट बी एनी सिंगिंग. ऐसा भी पार्ट होगा जहाँ पे कोई पर्टिकुलर इंस्ट्रूमेंट ना ही हो. सो ऐसे साइलेंस को डिनोट करने के लिए हम यूज करते हैं रेस्ट. दैट्स व्हाट वी डिड टुडे. सो हमने आज सबसे पहला रेस्ट पढ़ा, दैट वाज एन 8th नोट रेस्ट, जो कि 7 की तरह दिखाई देता है. सो ऐसा कुछ दिखता है 8 नोट रेस्ट हमारा. सो ये है 8th नोट रेस्ट.
सर मेरा एक सवाल है,
Yes.
रेस्ट और रेस्ट का जो हम आपने अभी बताया कि यू डिनोट द रेस्ट विद दिस उल्टा 7, तो
Yes.
जो हमने
उल्टा क्या, सीधा ही तो 7 है. 7 ऐसे नहीं बना देगा, सीधे तो 7. Who said it उल्टा 7?
व्हाट इज द डिफरेंस बिटवीन नॉट राइटिंग एनीथिंग, मतलब खाली छोड़ने में, और ये रेस्ट डिनोट करने में? लाइक फॉर एग्जांपल आई कैन नॉट, आई नीड नॉट राइट एनीथिंग. फॉर एग्जांपल अगर उस नोट पे या उस मतलब वी आर प्लेइंग डाउन अप, अगर एक अप मुझे नहीं बजाना है, तो व्हाट इज द डिफरेंस बिटवीन नॉट राइटिंग एनीथिंग एंड राइटिंग दैट 7? मतलब एक्सप्लिसिटली बता रहे हैं यहाँ पे कि हम यू हैव टू गिव अ रेस्ट, बट लेट्स से
Yes, we need to give it explicitly. It is explicitly कि आपको वहाँ पे नहीं बजाना है, तो वहाँ पे आपको रेस्ट लगाना पड़ेगा.
Okay,
Because
so
we
that
only
is-
have 4 counts. You need to have sum of 4 counts. सब सारे notes मिला के सबका sum 4 आना चाहिए. It is very necessary. If you have 8 notes, इसका मतलब है कि 8 into 1 by 8. Sorry, not 8 into 1 by 8. सबका count होगा 1 1 1. So 1 1 1 1. So you will have like 4 counts in it. Am I doing it correctly or am I getting confused? So yes, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So 1 8 note की वैल्यू हो गई half. इट कैन वहाँ पे 2 8 नोट आ सकते हैं एक काउंट पे. सो सारे सब हाफ मिला के जब 8 आएंगे तो 4 नोट हो जाएंगे. ऐसे ही होल नोट की वैल्यू 4 होती है, दैट इज ऑलरेडी 4. सो सबका सम 4 आता जाएगा. इसलिए उस सम को पूरा खत्म करने के लिए आपको 8 नोट रेस्ट लगाना पड़ेगा. आप सिर्फ नोट लगा के नहीं छोड़ सकते. अदरवाइज कि आपको भले ही आप अपने समझ के लिए लगा सकते हो, बट व्हेन यू गिव इट टू सम अदर पीपल, दे वोंट बी एबल टू रिकॉग्नाइज कि वहाँ पे रेस्ट लेना है. ये ऐसे ही हो जाएगा कि मैंने बोला कि डाउन डाउन अप अप डाउन अप, मैंने ऐसा बोला. सो व्हाट हैपेंस कि लोगों को ऐसा लगेगा कि ये नेक्स्ट वाला अप आएगा कब. दैट्स द क्वेश्चन. डाउन अप अप, वो कुछ टाइम बाद भी आ सकता है. एक अप बोल देना ये डिफाइन नहीं करता कि नेक्स्ट वाला अप नेक्स्ट वाला डाउन छोड़ के ही आएगा. वो अप कभी भी आ सकता है. आर यू गेटिंग इट? व्हेन यू प्ले से डाउन डाउन डाउन, सो यू आर नॉट डिफाइनिंग कि नेक्स्ट वाला डाउन कब आने वाला है. दैट्स वाई ये वाली रिदम, ये वाली टेक्निक अपनाना डाउन डाउन अप गिटार में it's useless actually. I don't suggest any people to go through this down up thing. So this rhythm is very important. Music में सबसे important part is rhythm. Without rhythm you won't be able to play any song correctly in the world, even though if you are having a very good skill in your left hand. बट अगर राइट हैंड आपका कमजोर है ना, तो एवरीवेयर जहाँ पे भी आप जाओगे आपको एक ही चीज सुनने को मिलेगा, दैट you're not playing with the other guys, because this music is a collaborative work actually. You guys need to play with some other people. And if you are not thorough with rhythm, you won't be able to play with another people. It's like the क्या बोलते हैं उसे, stammering, हकलाना. So when you're not good rhythms, you actually हकलाते हो music में. Yes.
So like you told this about collaboration. So like whenever I play guitar, so the singer says that please lower down one scale and all. So it's very difficult for me because I learned from YouTube only. I didn't have any professional training. So it's very difficult for me to understand like what chords needs to be played. So like, are you going to teach something of that sort, like any tricks and tips how to learn? Like if I am a C major scale singer, but
we can talk about this thing in the next class when we will be talking about pitches, कि कैसे हम लोग स्केल, मैंने लास्ट क्लास में भी बताया था वैसे ही. आप एक बार लास्ट क्लास की भी पीडीएफ्स और से ईशान कैन हेल्प यू आउट विद द पीडीएफ्स एंड अदर स्टफ. सो कि जिसमें आप स्केल वेल पता कर सकते हैं, हाउ टू ट्रांसपोज वन सॉन्ग टू अनदर सॉन्ग, बिकॉज सिंगर्स की फरमाइशें ज़्यादा होती हैं एंड एवरीबडी वोंट बी एबल टू सिंग द सेम सॉन्ग इन सेम स्केल. सबकी आवाज़ अलग होती है, कुछ लोग आते हैं, कुछ हाई गाते हैं, सबकी स्केल अलग होती हैं. सो ये हमारी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी है म्यूजिशियंस की कि हम स्केल्स उनके अकॉर्डिंग करें, बिकॉज हम तो स्केल चेंज कर सकते हैं, बेचारा वो तो कुछ नहीं कर सकता. उसकी जैसी आवाज़ भगवान ने बनाई वैसी करेगा. He cannot put a capo in his neck and change the voice. Are you getting it? So it's very important कि आप scale change करो. We will be doing this thing, so don't worry about that. So as this classes go through, so अगर आप मेरी ज़्यादा time waste ना करो revision करते करते, because अगर मैं हर बार शुरू वाली क्लास रिवाइज करते हुए आऊँगा तो अब हमें फिर क्लास 1 घंटे की नहीं 2-2 3-3 घंटे की होती जाएगी with every time revision. That's what we do. Okay. Yes, so sir. Ishan will be helping you out with to go through all the PDFs, and for the let's see how you will be practicing this one for beginners. So it will be in 2 level for beginners. How beginners will be practicing it. Beginners क्या करेंगे, सारी chords progression बताएंगे. मैंने एक progression sheet first class में भेजी थी, and you guys can play chord progressions. Rhythms पर using these rhythms. आप किसी सॉन्ग्स में भी यूज़ कर सकते हो इन रिदम्स को. दैट विल बी वेरी हेल्पफुल एक्चुअली. एंड देन मूविंग हेड, हाउ द एडवांस पीपल विल बी प्रैक्टिसिंग दिस वन. सो एडवांस पीपल जिनको स्केल्स बजानी आती है, इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट कि जिनको स्केल्स बजानी आती है, जिनको वन नोट स्टफ बजाना आता है, एडवांस, वो इस रिदम्स को स्केल्स में भी अप्लाई करके देखेंगे. इवन यू गाइज कैन अप्लाई इट इन एनी सॉन्ग्स यू वांट. कहीं पे भी ट्राई टू अप्लाई इट एवरीवेयर. जहाँ पे भी मदद मिले आपको, जहाँ पे भी लगाई जा सकती है रिदम, ट्राई टू यूज इट. Play all the, you can very simple to switch scale, just learn the names of all the 12 notes and then all the family chords. Sanjay Tiwari sang, or use a capo. That's correct. So how you will use this rhythm? So down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. So down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. So using the rhythm in this right hand will still keep going on down, up, down, up, down, up. Are you getting it? So that's what we will be doing. You guys will be doing till the next class. I have logged in and I'm waiting for you to end. I have another class to join, guys. So I'll be seeing you in the next class.
Sir, I have a question.
Yes. What's your question?
Sir, I wanted to learn blues music, sir. So where should I learn, sir? Like I have learning from YouTube videos. Should I purchase some structured course, some paid course?
So there are some courses going on with the front row itself. I guess like Ishan can help you out. Definitely Ishan.
No, sir. There is no blues music course.
No, there is. Ishan, can you help him out with the classes we are going through? Live
Yep,
sessions.
I'll contact him tomorrow.
Okay.
What's your full name, Rahul?
Rahul Das.
Rahul Das. Okay. I'll call you tomorrow.
Okay, for those people who wants the live session with me, there's already some live session going on with Fronto. I guess like Ishan can help you out. He can send you the link and put you guys in the right group wherever you belongs. So it's up to you. So that's all you guys will be doing till the next class, using the 8 notes to this level. And I'll be seeing you guys next week, probably the same time. Leaving the class for today was a good session. Thank you, Sanjay. Thank you, Jalaj. Thank you, everybody. Thank you, Saurav. Thank you, Sanjay. Thank you, Rahul, Ashita.
Thank you.
Samad. आज समत ने ज्यादा बचाया नहीं. Thank you, Sneha, Ashit, again, Tushar, JV, Kashish, Anindya, Vinod, Mayu, Jash, Nikita, Stupidometer, Hey, and Surya Lakshmi, Chakriti, Jalach. Next. So many people joined it. Thanks a lot, actually. Vaibhav, Keshav, Monia, मैं तो थक गया. Adarsh, Sumit, Padmini, Munavali, Salu, Rohan, Mishra, and Ishan. Thanks a lot. Bye,
Ishan,
guys. Yes.
If you can let us know where the PDFs would be available, that would be helpful, Ishan. If you're still on the call.
Hello, Ishan. Are you still here?
Yep. I am.
Okay, can you
giving
help
guys
me?
a link.
I'll be leaving, Ishan. I have another class to catch.
Yep.
So,
Thank you, sir.
welcome, Ishan.
Yeah, you can. Yeah, I shared the link. You guys can join. Click on this link and join the chat group. All the PDF will be shared here. And
Okay,
also
where's
all
the
the
link?
updates for the. You can see in the chat group. I have dropped it in the chat.
The chat. Okay. Okay. So there's okay. So this is the link that you've just shared, right? So that is where all the PDFs and every other material shared by Arpit sir will be available, correct?
Yeah. I'll share it by tomorrow morning. Just click on the link and join the chat group.
Okay. So this is another front row chat itself, right?
Yep.
Okay. All right. Thanks, Ishan.
Yep. Thank you, guys. See you. Bye.